Hi, Miss Jacqueline. Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Jacqueline M. Aison. I'm 34 years old. I live in Palayan City, Nueva Ecija, and I am married.
Do you have any kids?
Yes, I have one kid girl, 7 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
We are four siblings in the family.
Tell me about your educational background.
I graduated 2 years basic information technology.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I work as a domestic helper in Kuwait, and um, I took care of one kid, and I send her to school every day, and also work as uh, and do all the household chores.
Did you finish your contract and how many years?
I finished my contract 2 years and 6 months.
How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking person and trustworthy.
Do you have any tattoos in your body?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to earn money and to help my family.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I talk to the child and also I make friends to her or to him, and then I play with her or him.
What is your message to your future employer?
Um, I hope you will like me, ma'am and sir. I promise to do all my duties, and I am a hardworking person and a trustworthy.
Okay.